Hello guys, so Apple products, for example, Apple Watch, iPads, iPods, iPhones all come in different colors except for AirPods. And have you ever wondered why AirPods only come in white? So for you to understand this, let me take you back to the time where we didn't have AirPods. Way back we used to have earphones and headphones, and they came in different colors and the main color was black. And when Apple wanted to get into the market, when they started to design AirPods, they wanted to be unique. But for them to be unique, Apple has to put a visible logo on all of their gadgets. But if you look at the size of AirPods, the size is too small that if they had to put their logo on the AirPods, the logo was not going to be visible. So they were only left with one option: to get a color that would be unique, to get a color that would differentiate them from all the other manufacturers. So that's why they chose the color white. So they probably chose the color white because white can be seen from a distance, and Apple users want to be seen that they have Apple gadgets. So this is why all Apples come in white. So just like always, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe, and also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our future videos. Bye for now and see you on our next video.